Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make street-style Taliwala Golgappe or Pani Puri at home. This recipe tastes just like the famous roadside stalls, is incredibly easy to make, and uses simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So, let's get started. First, take 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes and place them in a tray. Mash them gently using a potato masher. Don't overmash the potatoes. You want a slightly chunky texture for the best taste. Now, add 1 finely chopped green chili. Next, add finely sliced onions. Before adding them, soak the onion slices in cold water for a few minutes, then drain them well. This removes the sharp taste and keeps them fresh and crispy. Now, add boiled black chickpeas. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Next, add 1 small, finely chopped tomato. Now add some well-beaten yogurt. Mix everything gently with a spoon until all the ingredients are well combined, just like I'm showing you in the video. Once everything is mixed, set the filling aside. Now, let's prepare the sauces. Keep your mint, coriander, and yogurt green chutney ready. If you want the complete recipe for this delicious green chutney, check the description box or the first pinned comment below. Also, keep your sweet tamarind chutney ready. I've shared that recipe in the description box and pinned comment as well, so don't forget to check it out. Now, take your Gol Gappa Pani Puri shells. I bought these from a grocery cash and carry store, but you can easily make them at home too. If you'd like to see my homemade Gol Gappa papri recipe, comment papri recipe below, and I'll share it in my next video. Arrange all the Gol Gappa shells on a serving plate. Carefully make a small hole in the top of each shell. Now it's time to assemble them. Fill each Gol Gappa with the prepared potato and chickpea mixture. Next, add a spoonful of sweet tamarind chutney. Then, add some green chutney. Finally, drizzle a little more sweet tamarind chutney on top. Wow, they look absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. Now they're ready to serve. Let me taste one first. Dip the Gol Gappa into the spicy and tangy tamarind water, kahti. Now eat it in one bite. Wow, it's absolutely amazing. The perfect combination of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors makes every bite so delicious. I really love this recipe, and I hope you love it too. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and leave a comment below to let me know how it turned out. Your support means a lot and helps my channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe.